Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust some parts of your videos on CapCut PC, like adjust the speed of it. So select your video, and for instance you want to fast forward some parts. You can either split the part you want to speed up. So select this part, go to speed, and adjust the speed, of course. So it looks something like this. Or you could, which I find it easier before, select the video, go to curve instead, go to customize, and go to the part where you want to speed up. So here, add in like this beat here and move it up if you want to speed it up, move it down if you want to slow it down. So here, I want to speed up the pace a little bit, and then it's going to go down again. Maybe I'll just speed this up just a little bit more here, and this is what it should look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.